notified.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajili and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, okay? And hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Lately I'm trying my best to upload as much as I can, even though it's so tiring. I'm really trying my best. Okay, so please engage on my videos so that, like, yes, that will encourage me to do more of that. And I am very sure that whatever that made you click on this video, you are really going to be inspired on this channel. Okay, I have more videos on my channel that you can watch. If you didn't get your inspiration from this one, I have more previous videos I have uploaded, and trust me, you will be inspired by any of them. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video has a story time that I will be reading out to you guys. Please be sure to watch this video to the end so that you will be able to get the moral lesson of the story. This story goes out to every woman and even men, everybody in general, okay? It has a lot of moral lesson in it. Like, it has a moral lesson in it, yes. So please listen, and if maybe you do not want to hear me talk whilst you watch the video, please kindly reduce the volume of the video so that you don't get distracted, okay, whilst you watch the video. Right, so this is how the story goes, and I read. Mrs. Cynthia Okpara went to her husband's office to report him to his boss. She told her husband's boss how her husband, Mr. Odogu Okpara, usually squander his 60,000 naira salary and only give her 30,000 naira for upkeep. After her narration, the boss told her to come back on the last day of the month. On the third day, she arrived as planned. The boss called Mr. Odogu and they all sat down in the boss's office. The boss started. Mr. Odogu, your wife reported to me some days ago that you squander your salary outside and only give the family 30,000 naira for upkeep. So right now, I'm going to personally hand over your salaries to her from today henceforth. How much is your transportation to work daily? The boss asked. 900 naira, sir, Mr. Odogu replied. The boss handed over 19,800 naira to Mr. Odogu. That should take you for 22 days. Do you take breakfast at home? The boss continued. No, sir. I leave home very early to beat traffic jam. How much do you spend on breakfast and lunch daily? 500 naira, sir, replied Mr. Odogu. The boss handed over 11,000 naira to Mr. Odogu. Who pays the children's school fees? The boss asked, facing Mrs. Okpara. He does, she replied, pointing at Mr. Odogu. How much is the school fees and how many kids have you? 30,000 naira per term for the 2 kids we have. In other words, you save 10,000 naira monthly for each term school fees, right? Yes, sir, replied Mr. Odogu. Once again, the boss handed over 10,000 naira to him. Who pays the rent and how much is it? I do, sir. The rent is 36,000 naira per annum. Mr. Odogu replied. That is 3,000 naira monthly, right? The boss added as he handed over 3,000 naira to Mr. Odogu. I don't want to ask about clothing, electricity bills, etc. as I know both of you might be handling that. The boss said as he handed over 16,200 naira to Mrs. Okpara. "What is this for, sir?" Mrs. Okpara asked, surprised. "Money for upkeep," the boss replied her. "But it wouldn't take us anywhere," she exclaimed. "So why don't you appreciate the 30,000 naira your husband sacrifices for you monthly?" the boss asked. The woman hugged her husband tightly, and the rest is history. So this is the moral of the story. Mrs. Okpara and a lot of women reading this don't know what their husbands sacrificed to put food on their table. Most times they go hungry. Sometimes they swallow their pride and engage in menial and debasing jobs just so their families can eat. A lot of times they can't even buy good clothes to wear. Rather, they sacrifice so that their wives and kids can get one. A man might not tell you what he goes through to get you the cash he gives to you, as telling you might make you start underrating his person. But to tell you the truth, men go through a lot and need to be appreciated. So on that note, since yesterday, the 19th of November was Men's Day. Actually, I want to wish each and every man out there a happy Men's Day. You guys are doing so much for us, and sometimes we tend not to really see it because of one or two things, but we really do appreciate and we do not take you guys for granted at all. We love you, our brothers, our husbands, our nephews, our friends, our boyfriends, all the men in our life, our fathers. We really love and appreciate you. Happy Men's Day once again. So please do share your suggestions, your comments, your view on the story in the comment section. Okay, if you have a story you want to share with me to read, please, you can send them to me on my Instagram. I'll leave my handle in the description below, or you can send it to me on Facebook, or you can send it to my mail. All my handles are in the description below, or if they are not in the description, you can check on my bio. They will be there. You can send them stories to me and I'll really appreciate it. And if you send a story to me and I read, I will give you a shout out on that video. So please, let's try and do that. What am I saying? Okay, whatever. So I will stop talking so that you enjoy the video to the end. Before you sign out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. You know I appreciate and love you guys so much. I do not take your love for me for granted, and I really thank God for each and every one of you, for clicking on my video, for subscribing, for sharing, for liking my video. I really appreciate it, and I pray that God extend the kind of love you give to me back to you in 10,000 folds. Whatever thing you lose, your data, or whatever thing you use to watch my videos, may God replenish it back to you in 10,000 folds. Amen. God bless you and have a good day.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the just like tall buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.